Hello, good afternoon. I'm Joseph. This air conditioner is called a 4DC inverter air conditioner. Means 6 main components inside are DC current. One is the air compressor and 3 fan motors, 1 heating cooling valve and 1 electronic expansion valve. This air conditioner has 2 working modes. One is 100% solar mode and another is hybrid mode. In hybrid mode, if the sun energy is strong enough, it can work alone with solar, no battery, no current. Now we will show you how it works. Radiation today is not so good, around 450 watts per square meter, because the standard radiation condition is 1000 watt per square meter. This meter shows the power from the solar, and this meter shows the power from the grid. Now the meter data is 0. You can see, because all the power from the solar. I will take off the plug and it can work still. Okay. You can see clearly from here. One pair the cable from the solar and one cable from the grid to the outer unit. It works together. I explain again. If the solar is strong enough and it can work without the grid support. Okay, thank you.